So hi everyone, as we all know, some video editors like Adobe Premiere Pro does not support editing of MKV videos. For example, here I have an MKV footage. This is encoded in H.264 codec, which is very common used with MP4 videos. Then also, Adobe Premiere Pro does not recognize as a supported format. So, how we can edit this MKV footage in Adobe Premiere Pro? There's a simple and fast method. First, you need to click the link in the description and download a free software. The software is called Handbrake. After installing, you need to open the software and you need to open the file manager, drag the video to the software. Now we can see so many options. In the preset tab, select production and production standard. Assign the location and give the file name. Now we need to just click on start encode. As you can see, the encoder is very fast. It's worth mentioning that some video editors like Blackmagic Design's Davinci Resolve actually support editing of MKV videos. So I don't know what happened with Adobe, but that's a shame. Now you can see there's a new video. The new video is encoded in MP4 format. Now let's drag this footage to Adobe Premiere Pro. The footage is recognized and we can smoothly edit the video. That's our video. See you again in our next video.